In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your website in GoDaddy step by step. Whether you want to change text, update images, adjust colors, or add your logo, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you're using GoDaddy Website Builder and want to quickly make changes to your site without any coding, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to your account dashboard and click on My Products. This section shows all the products and services you have with GoDaddy, including your domains and websites. Next, find your website under the Websites section. Once you see your website name, click on it. This will open your website management area, where you can control and customize your site. Now, click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can directly click on different sections of your website and start editing. If you want to change text, simply click on any text area on your website. You can highlight the text and start typing to replace it. On the right-hand side, you'll see customization options. These allow you to change the text color, font style, size, and alignment. For example, you can switch the text color to match your brand, make it bold, or center align it depending on your design preference. You can also adjust the alignment by selecting left, center, or right alignment options. This is useful if you want your headings to stand out or if you want your content to look more balanced on the page. If you'd like to change the background of a section, click on the section area and then look at the options on the right side panel. From there, you can modify the background color, image, or layout settings. This is great for giving your website a fresh and modern look. Now let's say you want to add or edit your logo. On the right-hand menu, click on the Logo option. From there, you can upload your own logo image or adjust the existing one. Once you're happy with the changes, click Done to apply them. If you want to replace images on your website, simply click on the image you want to change. After selecting it, look to the right-hand side where you'll see the Change Image option. Click on that, and you can upload a new image from your computer or choose from GoDaddy's image library. You can also resize images, adjust their position, and in some cases make them larger to better fit your layout. This helps you maintain a professional and visually appealing design. After making all your edits, don't forget to preview your website to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile views. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Publish to make your updates live on the internet. If you don't publish, your changes won't be visible to visitors. And that's it. That's how you edit your website in GoDaddy step by step. As you can see, it's very beginner-friendly and doesn't require any coding knowledge at all. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.